Only for me to call back. Oh, but trader reversal seems like I am stopped. Like,
Good. Why? Why?
okay, what's up, guys? Thank you all for tuning in another week on me trying to become profitable without actually paying for mentorship. Okay, so this is GBP right here, and GBP actually, if you look at the daily time frame, I think GBP is turning bearish. Yes, though it has been bullish, but you can see that it's beginning to turn bearish. It just gave a lower high, and I think it's going to form a lower low, but we can't tell. Like I said last week, I will only confirm that this market has turned bearish once the market take out this lows here. That's when it will be confirmed. But better still, this week I'll be looking for more of sales. So what I'm actually looking out for GPSD right now is for the market to come up to this resistance here and drop to this support. So I'm going to be waiting for the market to come back up here. But if the market doesn't come back up here, I'll wait and see if this support is going to hold. If this support is going to hold and form a W pattern, then I will buy to the upside. But if it breaks this support, then I'll wait for a retest and the drop will continue. While for gold has been ranging according to the higher time frame, the daily time frame, and that is why I need to be very careful when trading gold, because when the market is ranging, sometimes anything can happen. But despite the market ranging, it is currently dropping because it just reacted off this strong resistance level, so it's actually dropping. But we can't still say the market is now totally bearish. But for day traders, to me, it's safer if I will be selling than buying gold at the moment. So the market just broke my trend line, so two things will either occur here. Is either this market is going to retest this trend line and continue to the upside, or the market is going to come to this resistance here and drop. So for gold now, gold is just a two-way something. You can either buy, you can either sell, but I'm more of staying in the sell side because we have a lot of sell volume right here. Why GPUSD2? I'm also looking at selling because we have lots of sell volume right here too for GPUSD. So hopefully this week we'll be able to get it set up. The account is up 5% at the moment, so we just need an extra 5% before we can get funded. So let us just keep our fingers crossed and hopefully we're gonna get there. Okay, so what's good, guys? It's Tuesday right here. Just took my first setup. It's almost 8 a.m, 7:58 a.m to be precise. Okay, remember when I was doing my analysis yesterday, I told you guys that GPSD I'm looking for a sell, but I will confirm that sell once the market breaks this support here, which the market did yesterday. And when the market did that yesterday, broke the support, after breaking that support, I knew that it was time for me to start looking for those sales. What happened was that I went to the 15 minutes time frame and I saw the market, because I was expecting the market to come back to this support. I was expecting the market to come back to this support to turn resistance or this trend line for me to sell. But the market didn't. I noticed that the market just started creating lower highs, lower low, a lower high. As I saw this, I had to connect my little trend line. After doing that, I went to the 5 minutes time frame. So I saw that the market created this M pattern on the 5 minutes time frames. Taking out this low too was another extra confirmation for me, because now it looks like a breakout from this low and a retest, as you can see. Though I'm in profit, but not profit. The market is still around my entry, so let's just watch and see how it plays out. But for gold, I'm still looking for an entry of gold. I still got my eyes on gold. Gold is my trend line now, and it just rejected. Whoa. I think I'm seeing a trade opportunity on gold at the moment, because the market just retested my trend line now, and you can see this M pattern, and it has just broke this neckline. I think I'm going to go in on a trade on gold now. Because I was waiting for the market to come to this trend line, reject from this trend line, or come to this support or resistance and reject from it. That's what I was waiting for. The market just rejected from this trend line now. So I think I'm going to go in on a sell on gold. But I'll wait for extra confirmation. I will wait to see if this market can come back and touch the trend line again and drop again. So that's when I'll be able to enter the market with my full chest. But for now, anyway, I'll keep you guys updated. Oh, guys, I think my entry on gold wasn't really a good one. I just discovered now that I entered a channel, like a kind of a ranging market, which is like a channel. I don't know the name. This market is going to drop. According to my strategy, I think it's going to drop. What I'm just scared of is the market taking me out before doing so. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Because what's up, guys? It just took my first loss for the week. First trade, first stop loss. And that stop loss was on gold. And I don't blame gold, I blame myself. I wish I had just stuck to the plan. Remember I told you guys that I wanted to still wait for the market to retest the trend line again before selling. But I just damn it, and I sold and the market dealt with me. Why for GPUSD? GPUSD gave me 1:1 and reversed. Though I had tightened my stop, but I hadn't fully broken even. So the market took me out. So it's one thing I know is that loss is inevitable. Must take the loss. One thing that is important is let our profit cover our losses. Let our profit be more than our losses. Okay, what's up, guys? I just took an entry on gold, and funny enough, guys, this entry was where I was supposed to have taken the trade if I had not been in so much of a hurry to take the trade earlier in the morning. So good want to kill. Good is on my neck like this. I don't just understand. I've tightened my stop, and honestly, I don't think this market is going to go my way. I mean, I left the charts and I went to start watching TikTok, only for me to call back. Hey, trade on reversal. Gold, why? Today is not it at all. Oh, just as I expected, so I'm done for today. Had another lot, so see you guys again tomorrow. What's up, guys? Just got home now. Went to the site to check on a building. As you all know, I'm a painter, so this morning I took a trade on GBPUSD and I lost that trade. And the most painful part is that this trade stopped me out with just a week. This trade stopped me out and then start nosediving to my take profits. And that trade was a 1:3 risk to reward. You don't look as if the market is watching me. You don't look as if the market is following me. I've made about 5% or 6% on this account 4 times now and lose those profits back again. I don't know if it's just me or any of you is experiencing this or has experienced this before. I just feel like I am stuck at a break-even level, whereby I am not losing a prop firm, but I'm also not making profit. I'm not advancing. I'm just stagnant, and it is frustrating. Okay, it's past 6:30 p.m. now, and as you can see, this market almost got to my take profits and it's reversing. But I'm still holding because I feel this reversal is just a pullback. I feel that it will still head to my take profits. I have trailed my stop and secure $100 profits. That is 1%. So I just pray that the market doesn't, reverse. But even if it reverses all the way, I will still leave the trade with 1%. Though. So fingers crossed. Okay, so what's up, guys? I've got a painting job today. I'm just waiting for the engineer. All the engineer come now, hit the road. So for the trade I took yesterday, I told you guys I was holding till take profit. So the trade hits my take profit. So I made 4% on the trade. So the account is back to 5% again, which is like the stumbling block again. I told you guys that it seems like I am stuck. And while I was scrolling through YouTube, one thing I learned is that there are different phases to profitability. You make profit, you lose the profit back to the market. Whenever you make profit, you lose it back to the market. So you will just notice that you are not making money, but you are not losing money too. You'd get, and I said this is the level that so many traders get stuck in a long time. Some 2 years, some 3 years. You see some traders, they've been trading for 5 years, 4 years. They are not yet profitable. But if you look at them, they know how to trade, but they are not just yet profitable. So I think that is the level I am in now, and I just hope I don't stay at this level for long. I notice that whenever I reach this $500 mark or $600 mark, I end up losing it back. Now I'm back in the $500 mark, and I'm just going to wait for another set. Remember, I told you guys, whenever I hit the $500 mark or the 5% plus mark, I'm going to reach 2% on the account. So hopefully we're going to get a good trade today, risking 2%. Anyhow it is, I'll let you guys know. Okay? Okay guys, I'm on a trade on gold right now, and I'm risking 2% just like as I planned. So I'm risking 2%. Hopefully this market will go my way. Let's just wait and see. I'll keep you guys updated, okay? What's up guys, it's Friday, the last trading day of the week, and it is NFP today guys. Yesterday the market ended at break even. When the market stopped me after break even, it later gave me another opportunity to take the trade again, and I've been holding that trade since yesterday. Let me show you guys. So this was the first trade I took yesterday. The market came to this trend line, formed the M pattern on the trend line, and I entered the trade here after the break of this neckline. The market went more than 1:1, as you can see, because this was where my take profit is. It gave me more than 1:1. I broke even. When I broke even, the market went back and stopped me out at break even. So when the market stopped me out at break even, it respected the trend line again. As you can see, it respected the trend line again, formed an M pattern on the trend line again, and broke the neckline, and I entered the trade again. Though I entered this trade a bit late, I was supposed to have entered it somewhere around here, but I lost track of time because I was working. So I entered the trade since that yesterday, I think around almost 3 o'clock yesterday. Since that yesterday, I've been holding this trade up till now. And as you can see, when the market gave me 1:1 yesterday, I broke even again. But can you imagine, this market reversed this morning and almost stopped me out again at break even again. When the trend line respected again, I was tempted to add position. Honestly, I was tempted to add position and reduce my take profit level to this line level here. Honestly, I was tempted to do that, but if I add a position, that means this trade will no longer be a risk-free trade. So I didn't want to do that. So I just decided that I'm going to leave the trade and just let it play out. Though still far from my take profit, still far, but I just hope this trade hit my take profit. So I'll keep you guys updated on how it goes, how it plays out. Today I'm not going anywhere, so I'll keep you guys updated. What's up guys, we've come to the end of another trading week, and we ended right where we started. This week ended at break even, and we didn't make any profits, neither did we make any loss. Just like I said, or I've been repeating myself throughout this video, I think I am stuck. And what is even calming me down is because I know that I am not the first trader, or am I the only trader that has gone through this phase or is going through this phase at the moment. There are different phases to becoming profitable. First is the losing stage, where you lose. Second is the break-even stage, and the third is the profitable stage. So I think I am way past the losing stage now, because I don't lose money, or I don't take losses in trades like I used to do. But now I'm in the level of, or the phase of break even. I make profit for the market and I lose that profit back to the market. So many traders stay in this phase for a very, very long time before they end up becoming profitable. I just hope my own case, I don't stay in this phase for a very long time. But anyway, so this is the P&L for the week. We ended just right from where we started. So see you guys again next week. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And let me know in the comment section if you've ever experienced being stuck before as a trader. If you've ever experienced being stagnant, not moving forward, not moving backward, just being stagnant. Let me know in the comment section, and do have a wonderful weekend. Bye.